While the world raves about mechanical keyboards for their precision and tactile feedback, beauty enthusiasts are seeing a similar obsession emerge: eyelash growth serums. With a growing desire for longer, fuller, and natural-looking lashes, consumers are seeking solutions that actually work. This guide evaluates each serum based on its active ingredients, speed of results, ease of application, skin sensitivity, and overall value, so you can ditch the falsies and enhance your real lashes the right way. List 1. Lana Nano Lash Serum, fuller and longer looking eyelash serum. The Lana Nano Lash Serum is designed for those who want noticeable lash growth without irritation. Infused with botanical extracts and peptides, this lightweight serum promotes fuller, longer lashes in just a few weeks. It's formulated to be safe for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Many users report seeing a difference in as little as 3 to 4 weeks, with lashes appearing thicker and less prone to breakage. List 2. Lash Serum, advanced eyelash serum for thicker, longer lashes. This advanced lash serum stands out for its dual-action formula that works on both eyelashes and eyebrows. Enriched with growth-boosting peptides and hydrating agents, it helps restore brittle lashes and revives sparse brows. The serum strengthens the roots, helping to prevent fallout while enhancing density. Application is simple and quick with the included fine-tip applicator. Users love how it feels lightweight and dries fast. List number: Advanced Lash Serum with Myristoyl Pentapeptide 4. Featuring the powerhouse peptide, Myristoyl Pentapeptide 4. This advanced lash-enhancing serum targets the follicles to extend the lash growth phase. Its science-backed formula is especially effective at encouraging volume, length, and strength. Ideal for individuals with short or thinning lashes, this serum nourishes the lash line and fortifies strands from root to tip. It's non-irritating and dermatologist tested. List number 4. Live Fresh Organic Castor Oil Lash Serum, 100% pure and natural. If you prefer a clean beauty approach, Live Fresh's Organic Castor Oil Lash Serum delivers nature-powered lash growth with 100% pure, hexane-free castor oil. Rich in omega-6 fatty acids, vitamin E, and proteins, it deeply nourishes the follicles, helping lashes and brows grow thicker, darker, and healthier over time. This cold-pressed formula is free of synthetic ingredients and preservatives, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin or who want to avoid chemicals. It includes a mascara-style wand and liner brush for easy dual-purpose application. List number 5. Premium Eyelash Growth Serum, 18 plant extracts formula. For a plant-based performance blend, this premium eyelash growth serum combines 18 botanical extracts designed to stimulate hair follicles and restore lash density. Its blend includes ginseng, green tea, ginger root, and chamomile, all known for their regenerative and anti-inflammatory properties. This serum works well on lashes and brows, encouraging healthier, fuller hair with less shedding. It's non-sticky, fast-absorbing,